Looks like a hand puppet. That's what I went for that kid at Denny's last week. So let's see if it slides out, which it probably will. Ooh, I don't know, man. They might be trying that. If it doesn't stab behind it, maybe there's trying. I've won boxes from this before, so. This might be worth a $5 bill. Let's see what happens. One more try. And then I'll see if I should put in like 5-1 or something. I don't know. Now the box is kind of... I need to get it stuck. Okay, clamp. Stay. You... Here, one more try. Let's see if I can wedge it out from the dead zone. Get stuck in his arm. There we go. I don't know, man. It's game. I don't know if it's fair game now, but fight number 1000 on this channel. Okay, do something. Oh no. Bleacher creature, come on. Let me open it this way. There you go. That was Stabberoo. Quit stabbing his finger. It's flimsy, dude. Just move his hand. Okay, I'm moving it. Do I want to go for his bottom? If I can. Under his... Oh! I wish I had another 5 on me. All I got is a 10. That's it for this machine, though. There's nothing else. One of the Barbies went home. Close. One more try, folks. Might have to buy something to break this 10. Trying to like get it in his arm. Close, come on, do something. You know what? One more try. I need to learn to control my spending habits on this dumb bird. Someone's gonna get him. These machines, they let me fight, and then I walk away. If I walk away, and then I come back, and they're like gone for about $1. Someone else comes and wins it. Oh, it's around the other. I don't know, man. I'm gonna play one more time. I think we're just gonna go buy a toy and break a 5 that way, so I don't have to keep... I hate that their bill machine doesn't work. It's permanently damaged. Come on, do something. Get in it. Yeah, I think he's in the dead zone, bro. I mean, he's not dead zone, but... I mean, what it's gonna do, it's gonna lift him, and then I'm gonna have to play again, anywho. Oh, combat Carl, that was horrid. Shit. Oh well, time to break another 10, folks. I still have like 2 machines I need to play. Catch you in the next one. I'm gonna go back to that dumb bird, but I'm gonna see what this bear can offer. So the vendor came and fixed some of the machines, but then stacked this one a bit. Watch that. Dull. I can just barely get that guy. Well, move him. I can barely move him. This guy, I don't think I can get the best grab, so I'm gonna stab. Our vendor doesn't stack the machine, he fills them. Man, I ran out of time. Okay. Oh, I think you stabbed. Yeah, you're gonna stab. Free candy claw, folks. So what should I go for since there's no toys in here? And no Jew tickets, come on. I'll go for Twizzlers. My dad likes these. Use the candy claw almost didn't like me. At least it likes me. It registers or not. Let's see if this machine takes bill. I try this once a, well, not once a day, but almost every bloody time I'm here. No one it doesn't, so I'll spend 50 cents on it, see what happens. I usually pay the machines first, and then I go and I just play the vending, whether it be on camera or off camera. You know I could snag that guy? Yeah, it's just gonna stab the voodoo doll, zombie thing, whatever. Watch this, it's gonna stab, what do you bet? Okay, do something. Stay, 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 sweet. Oh my double, gosh dang. Did the last guy win have a tail? Oh my gosh. That was a 50-cent plush, folks. One of these machines take one try. Oh man. Any stabbage of the pirate thing would have been a... Oh man. This guy's moving back. Hey, what are these? They used to be in these machines. I've won some, but they used to be popular outside the closet as well. So I'm trying to go around its body and around the witch's head. Like that, but it didn't work. Okay, nice. At least I got a win on video. I feel better about that dang little thing, bird, whatever. But I'm gonna see if I can get it again. Bye-bye. Let's see if I can snag this. When I won it for the kid, it was actually over the chute, so I kind of had to do the shake technique. Please be advised, we clawers don't want to do that, but... If I could get this guy stuck somewhere, that'd be sweet. Oh, I moved him out. He'll never take that bill, it looks dirty. Come on. No. If it does that, it's a guaranteed loss. I'll play a couple more times and I'm gonna keep that dollar dirty. I'm not gonna try. Come on, NEN. Come on, do something. Stay. Ah, shh. Well, he's out now. What do I do, folks? Oh, heavens to Murgatroyd. That one... I'm burying him is what I'm doing. He's out of the dead zone. If it would have flipped forward, or backward, I would have had the dumb thing. Now there's nothing to grab. You want it to get stuck between his arm and the box, and then the third prong needs to, I don't know. Stubborn mule. Tch. Someone will win him with a buck, probably a quarter. Last try, 'cause that's all I got. I will give you $1 million if someone can win him for 1/4, and I know they can. That's my luck. Okay, bye. I'm here at an actually stacked claw machine, but there's nothing really to rake over. So it's not the best stack, but it's better than what Walmart has been. I'm gonna see if I can just get this guy fair. Oh. Okay, now his bum's in the... I didn't want it to necessarily do that, but dead's doing him a bit. I have 10 ones on me and a 5, so... And then I'll go for this guy later. Come on, go around him, don't stab, clamp. Okay, don't do anything. Nice, 2 tries, folks. Okay, good. So now my feel it in my knees, folks. My calves are like weird. Now I'm just playing just to see what happens. Play at ease. Looks like he's trying to get this guy to roll in, but there's nothing really to grab. So I think I might play 2, 3 more times. I want to go for her, but her head is her head, you know? So let's see what happens here. Spin. Is that dinosaur wedge? I think I'll play 2 more tries. If you don't do that, that'd be nice. Don't stab. Okay, come on. Oh, okay, I'm done with him. I'll go for the brown bunny and that'll be it. Even though he's gray, but whatever. I don't know my colors. This guy is probably gettable, but... He's wedged, huh? Let's see what this guy does. One more for the pink, and then that'll be it. I call like you binge watch. Last episode, and then you end up watching like 3 seasons. Don't stab, don't stab. Oh, come on. Wait. Ah, he's... I don't know, guys. Is he gettable? I hate waiting for the click. I'm off center so it doesn't stab. Oh, that was a clamp. Ugh. Oh, sweet beans, man. Oh, shoot. He's too big to play, so I'm just gonna leave him, but I toppled him over. I was getting ready to, like, throw a fit. Fluffy cow. I'm gonna name my kid a Kelly Toy, middle name Toy. Okay, I'm sorry. His dad, or her dad, would probably get beat up. And then I won this. Hug a pal.